What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Yes indeed, brown coat game, man. We finna mount up. We finna mount up John Jones. We finna mount up Mr. Jones all four corners. Cause I'm not about to be driving this car for none this week or next week. When this car move, it's gonna be track action. Going to track. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and put the front runners on and put the radios on, then we're gonna cover it up. But I felt like turning y'all on and having y'all chill with me while I do it. So, and then I'm gonna have to go test it out in the road. I'm gonna have to go test it out and see how they do, even though it's on the road. See how the radios and stuff do. This bad boy gonna hook up better than that, better than them right there though. So yeah, man, let's I got it all pulled out already. So I got my little ups and stuff for it. Now I gotta go in here and dig all them tires out. Then we're gonna lay them out, lay everything out. Then we're gonna mount this thing up, and we're gonna go from there. So y'all just stay tuned. All right. So y'all see I got my setup. This is how I do. Put my lugs, tires on each side where I need them to be, so I can go fast. So I'm finna go ahead and throw these back ones on. Set y'all down. Throw these back ones on. Man, crazy boy. Last year, I think about all the tires I changed, man, with just the 4-way. I taking them rims and tires off with that 4-way, boy. I don't mind it now. But the impact save lives, boy. Make stuff go so fast. I do not mind. Get these things out. Look, hey, I remember this car, somebody said, oh, my car looked too plain. Like, that's the point. Somebody said my car looked plain with these rims on it. I was like, that's the point. Can fool people. Want it to look plain, Jane. Man, I'm finally getting to put all these things on. I ain't saw how my car looked with all these on except one time. And the front runners I got, that was the video I put up when John Jones had just got tuned, and SOB Built Motorsports, they took it to the track for me. I wasn't even there, and I put that little one clip up for y'all. But them front runners, they the same ones I got, but they wasn't mine. They were my boy Kyle. Shout out to Kyle, man. Boy with the Silver Surfer Camaro. Y'all seen me and him did a collab. He pulled up at the crib. He done pulled up at the crib before. But they were his front runners. Cause at the time my front tires were messed up. Well, I needed some front tires on my 18s. So they were like, man, they didn't want to run it like that, which I understand that. So he brought his front runners and let me use them. Then it's so crazy. A subscriber hit me on Facebook and was like, man, he got some front runners he want to let me have, and they were the same exact ones. I was like, man, that's crazy how that worked out. Appreciate him for that. But so this my first time putting my own front runners on though. So I've been dying to put them on, but you gotta have them lugs. You gotta have them special lugs, them shank style lugs. So we getting these bad boys on, man. Then they gonna stay on. They gonna stay on till sometime next week. I know that much. Cause man, it track action. Y'all know last year I was straight building, doing budget stuff, having mishaps. people were laughing, making jokes, all that. Nobody laughing now. Ain't nobody laughing now. I told folk, man, sometimes budget stuff go good, sometimes it don't. In my case, it didn't go good. I'm gonna revisit budget though. More people can relate to that. Love the impact, man. Alright, let's hit the other side. Alright, so we on the other side. Like I said, man, I could've did this without y'all, but when I be talking to y'all, I feel like y'all right here with me. You know how you be out in the yard working on a car, your partner be right there with you. That's why I can't wait that shop, man. When I get that shop, boy, it's gonna be lit. Gonna be just like y'all in the shop with me. What we gonna do on the shop, y'all? What I'm actually gonna do instead, I talked to the guy, and I can't cash out on the shop, cause no matter what, it's gonna take 8 weeks. So I like, darn, all right. So either, yeah. So we still gonna get it going, but it's gonna be about 8 weeks. Cause I want to buy it in full, man. I don't like having bills, but you know, he said it's gonna be 8 weeks, and they won't let me do nothing but 10% deposit. Man, that tie wet still on that tie, boy. That's still fire. So they won't let me do nothing but 10%, y'all. So we're gonna have the shot coming though. We're gonna have the shot coming. So y'all, they're probably gonna be about June for y'all see that. I'm hoping soon, but it probably gonna be June. So that's the update on that, y'all. But alright. Tina that came outside, y'all. Tina out here. She'll probably walk around in a minute. But y'all see we got the back. The backs be the easy. I should have did the front first, cause them shank style lugs, boy, they be something else. But I'm finna get this on. We're gonna roll B-roll for the front, y'all.
Oh, Cedro, you've done it again.
Woo! Mr. Jones, boy, is clean. Mr. Jones is in track trim, boy. That bad boy tough. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, we ready now. Oh yeah. We're gonna leave Mr. Jones like this. And man, all I gotta do is load up and we ready to go. Train smoke everywhere. All I gotta do is load up and take the air compressor. That's it, man. That's how I want it. I ain't gotta take no, and take my 15mm, cause y'all know that rent. That belt I'm in. So yeah, man. I'm finna when Wifey get back, I might go down the street right quick, man. See how this thing feel to her on the passenger side. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see boss lady in the car. She already done got nervous, y'all, off camera. She spooked. She already been talking. You know what we about to do. So you know, you see what tires on the car. got so excited. I ain't look at the boost gauge. Well, I got geeked then. Tell me, you can't tell me the car don't feel different though.
Yeah, it feel different. I mean, I can feel a difference.
Man, yeah, big difference. With all that weight going on, hey, somebody go get it. It ain't even turned up. We on the street.
You don't need to turn it up.
What?
You don't need to turn it up.
They don't need to turn it up. Boy, good God Almighty. That thing here. I don't even know how much boost I made. I don't even know how much boost we made. Golly. Had let turn the AC out, y'all. Boy, that thing here is. I wonder if we're gonna have to try a standstill. Standstill. It probably ain't gonna hold the tires on the lunch though. But
Yeah.
high gear, thing here. Thing here ready. This thing here ready.
You just like playing.
She said I like playing.
Yeah.
No, this thing here ready. Smell that good gas. Smell that. The good gas, bud. This thing here ready. We're gonna turn around, then turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all. Back. We're gonna try lunch. We're gonna try lunch right quick. What?
I said, hold on.
You know, we finna walk that car right there.
That's what I said. Yeah, hold on.
Not where this car at.
No, that's it.
So we're gonna try lunch, y'all. And see what it do. Look, Corvette right there too. Till they can come back, they want to. Boy, this thing riding. This thing here riding. Look, she got scared. She got scared. Woo. Yeah, it won't launch though, y'all. It spun the tire bad. It spun the tire bad, so it still ain't gonna. It's too much for the road on the radials. But at the track, well, we finna go through there. Nah, you got nerve. I saw your face. I saw you out my peripherals.
I was looking at you.
I saw her when she looked. I said, yeah, she spooked. That shot got her, y'all. I mean, not that shot, that lunch. Lunch got her. So we finna take this drive back back to the crib and we'll check back in. Alright, y'all, we back, man. Y'all saw that GoPro footage. I ain't saw it yet. I ain't saw it, but this thing here, woo, the difference it make with them tires on and all that weight going off of it, man, crazy. This bad boy here is crazy. And I can't wait, man. I gotta go see that GoPro. Throw the trash away, girl. I gotta go see that GoPro, man. Got to see it. Wifey got spooked. I don't care what she said, y'all. Their face gonna say it all, boy. This thing is nasty. And it looked like it trained to go now. It looked like it's just ready to go. John Jones on go. Keep telling folks, not ain't turned up. I go to the track, man. I'm gonna feed it a little more boost. Still ain't gonna feed it no timing, cause I'm running on octane. I mean 93. But I'm gonna give it a little more boost. And then when I fill the tank up with racing gas, we're gonna let it eat then. We gonna let it eat, man. We're gonna let it eat. Gonna put timing in it. And yeah, it's gonna do what it do then. But they're gonna be at the private test session. They're gonna be when I get the track, man. I ain't gonna be at the private test session. It might make it on video, it might not. I don't know. But at the end of the year, man, I'm gonna show everything. I'm gonna show everything with this car, Meech, and Dolo. I'm gonna show everything. At the end of the year, after I done did what I gotta do, then ain't finna be no more of that grudge racing stuff. I don't care what nobody say. If they don't want their time out after that, they better not race me. That's all I can say. I go to the track and make solo laps. If they don't want their time out, they better not race me. I'm running only people that's cool or trying to make something shake and all of that. Other than that, I ain't running nobody after that. I'll get this out the way this year. I'm gonna do it quick. But yeah, man, that bad boy here is nasty. Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones. Boy, I want to go make a lap in it now, boy. But y'all seen on It still won't hold the lunch though. It won't hold no boost. Probably if I took the lunch down, the lunch PSI, it might have got off the line. If I took it down, cause I tried to leave on 7 pounds of boost then. And it wasn't hitting it. But boy, it was trying to, boy. It squat down, that front end was in the air. That front end was up, boy. That more like that. I can feel it in the car. Like it was about to touch the top of these tires. It was trying to go. But yep. That's it, man. We got the tire switched over. So I bring y'all with me everything I do, every step of the way. So now, like I said, y'all should get a track video this week. Yeah, you should get one this week. Cause I'm kind of up on inventory. So if y'all don't get it this week, it'll be the top of next week. You'll get a track video, Mr. Jones. Everything gonna go right this time. Last time it was what we had? The CO2. CO2 went hitting right. Everything straight. It's ready. So all I gotta do is load up on the trailer, man. I'll probably put on the trailer tomorrow. And we'll get ready to hit Middle Georgia Motorsports Park. I'm gonna go down there Friday night, get it in. Then Saturday, man, I got a collab. My guy Jeremy hitting the track. I won't be at no track Saturday. I got a collab. Then Sunday, I'm be at Stunt Fest. Stunt Fest Sunday. If y'all ain't doing that, come out, man. I probably put Rhythm and Blues on the trailer, pull it down there to Stunt Fest. Just cause it just be a long drive, man. If I had the wheels, man, I wouldn't kill. But with them 14s and 342, you can drive it down there, but I just don't feel like taking that long of a drive. Cause it's 2 hours from me. So if I drive this car run about 62 miles per hour. And until you just too high RPMs, just burning hell of gas, it run about 62. So it'll probably take me add about 20 minutes on to the trip. So I get there faster towing it. So I'm just gonna put it on the trailer, man, cause people been wanting to see it. So if you ain't got nothing going on Sunday, come out to Stunt Fest for my plan is to have Rhythm and Blues out there. If something come up, then y'all won't see it. But for the most part, it should be out there. I ain't gonna take John Jones, cause John Jones getting his time out. He getting his day Friday. Rhythm and Blues going Saturday, cause man, ain't nobody never get a chance to see the car in person. I mean Sunday. So Saturday I'll be watching it up, or getting up early Sunday watching it. We'll throw it on the trailer and pull it down there, man. So I hope to see y'all at Stunt Fest, man. Reynolds, Georgia. Shout out to MJ and Meryl. I'm gonna be down there filming too. So if you got a whip, want to get on camera, you hit that track, y'all come on out, man. Big Dolo would be there, but Big Dolo gonna get debut at the car meet. The car meet is next week. Come out, man. April 25th. The car meet is next week. I want to see everybody out there, man. I'm gonna put the flyer on the screen right now so y'all can see it. Check it out. So make sure you come out, man. Big Dolo gonna be out there. John Jones and R&B. All three of them will be out there just like they were gonna be out there the first time. So y'all make sure to come out. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later. I'm out.